The year 2020 was more about losses than gain, especially due to the pandemic. While some of the stars who passed away lost the battle to COVID, others died due to various reasons. The Dadasaheb Phalke recipient Soumitra Chatterjee tested positive for coronavirus on October 5th and got admitted to the hospital where he was being treated for almost 40 days till he breathed his last on November 15th. The Bengali screen icon was 85 years old. Legendary Hollywood actor Sean Connery passed away at the age of 90 on October 31st. Popular as the original James Bond on Hollywood screen, Connery had an acting career spanning nearly 5 decades. He shot to global superstardom as James Bond in 1962 with the first film of the 007 series, Dr. No. The famous playback singer and Padma awardee S.P. Balasubramaniam had recorded over 40,000 songs in 16 languages over a period of 5 decades. He died on September 25th in Chennai at the age of 74. Balasubramaniam was on life support measures since August 14th for severe COVID and pneumonia. The veteran Bollywood comedian Jagdeep died in Mumbai on July 8th, at the age of 81 owing to age-related health problems. Born on March 29, 1939, as Syed Ishtiaq Ahmad Jafri in Amritsar, Jagdeep had acted in over 400 films. The ace choreographer Saroj Khan passed away after a cardiac arrest on July 2nd. She was 71 years old. Khan had complained of breathing for a while, following which she was admitted to hospital. Khan, fondly called as Master Ji in Bollywood, had called the shots in over 2,000 songs spanning over 3.5 decades of her career. Legendary classical vocalist and Padma Vibhushan recipient Pandit Jasraj passed away in the US at the age of 90 on August 17th. Born in 1930 in Haryana, the celebrated classical singer belonged to the Mewati Gharana. With a career spanning 80 years, Pandit Jasraj aura ranged from the world stage to Indian film music. Chadwick Boseman, best known for his role of the superhero Black Panther, died on August 28 at the age of 43. Boseman's death came as a shock to colleagues and fans because the actor had never publicly revealed his battle with colon cancer since 2016. The news of Sushant Singh Rajput's alleged suicide shook the nation on June 14th. It was initially thought that he died by suicide, but a probe into his death is still on. The 34-year-old actor was one of the few who crafted a seamless transition from television to films. Basu Chatterjee. The legendary filmmaker passed away at the age of 93 owing to age-related ailments on June 4th. He is among the filmmakers who made the common man a hero of Hindi commercial cinema. Wajid Khan of the popular sibling composer duo Sajid Wajid died on June 1st. On June 5th, his family informed that Wajid had died due to cardiac arrest. Sajid Wajid are best known for their songs in Salman Khan's starrer Dabangg films. Rishi Kapoor passed away on April 30th at the age of 67. Rishi, who shot to fame playing a teen icon in his debut film Bobby, became popular as a romantic hero later. And in the last few years, he also impressed the audience with negative roles. Acclaimed actor Irfan Khan breathed his last on April 29th at the age of 54. He was admitted to Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital with a colon infection. The actor had been battling neuroendocrine tumor for several years and had been under medical attention. Kirk Douglas passed away at the age of 103 on February 5th. Having starred in about 90 films and television series over 60 years, Kirk was the last of the giants who ruled Hollywood's golden age. The year 2020 also witnessed the departure of television actor Divya Bhatnagar, Vijay Chitra, veteran Hindi and Marathi actor Ravi Patwardhan, acclaimed actor Asif Basra, veteran actor Ashalata Vabgaonkar, filmmaker Nishikant Kamath, and veteran actor Kumkum. ETV Bharat Report.